1, 2, 3.
Told me I couldn't catch him on the playground yesterday. I said, if I catch you, I get to kiss you. And I drug him out of underneath the clubhouse and gave him a big kiss, and he squeaks it. He said, it's all gone. All right, ready?
Luke, look at mommy. Looky. Thank you. You're such a dork.
What did she say? You're such a dork. Is that what she said?
Hello, ladies.
Sure, you can mark this.
Birthday boy.
You got it recorded?
I think so.
Does it say record?
Yes.
Because it wasn't even wet.
Boogies. Hey, Mr. Boogieman.
See, Mommy?
He don't like any kind of cameras.
See, Mommy?
Because he anticipates the flash, I think. Boogie boy, what are you doing? What are you doing? I love you.
See, Mommy?
First tooth coming in there. That's why you're chewing, huh? Hi, precious. Tell me something. What's my mom doing to you?
Took the shirt in?
No.
No, he wasn't wet, so I didn't change him. What
There's
you did
my
with the
mom.
shirt?
Been working all day, cooking.
Oh, no. Yeah, wow, woman.
He spit up on his shirt. That's what it is. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Get back in here, Beverly Ann.
Get him flowing him.
Look, Maddie.
What'd you say?
Get back in here, woman.
Jack was standing.
Papa!
Hey, Papa blew him
Look,
out.
Looking.
Luke Evans.
Doing what?
Luke Evans.
Ice cream.
Are you here at Papa's birthday? It's Papa's birthday.
Got ice cream.
And Mommy's first Mother's Day. There's your goofy daddy. Where's that goofy old daddy at?
Luke, hey bud. Hey, what are you doing, man? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Hey. You guys can take them for the
Take her nose.
yeah.
It's not funny.
Luke.
It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. It's gross. You stop eating your shoe and you stop eating yours.
Y'all need to learn some manners.
Oh no. The toes will do.
That's what he really wants, is his feet. You don't want these shoes. You can get these.
You want me to take his socks off too? His feet might get old. I hope they don't get hold of that toothbrush.
Hey, Luke.
What is that doing here?
Luke Evans.
I don't know what it is. It's actually
Luke Evans.
That's really nice.
My hands are small.
Come here. Is it ready for you?
Well, no, this saying after I hope to share many memories with you. I hope so too.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
Luke. Hey, bud.
Daddy.
What's up, bud?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hey.
Hey, Booger boy. Daddy.
Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged
Yes.
or rusty. Yes, I
Oh gosh. There we go.
I see something trashy. Look at this. I have here a sneaker that's battered and worn. It's all full of oh, I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. Anything ragged or rotten or rusty. Yes, I love trash.
I'd like to know who told you you could start that free. You got to count it higher, baby, if you want to count with me. Come on, let me hear you count again now.
Yes.
Higher,
It's a telly dance.
you got to count it higher, count it
No, am I still coming?
Just Grover.
There's Luke in the pool.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy.
Go all the way to the top and jump.
Okay. 5.
There's Luke. 2 and
5.
like 10 months old. No, 2 and 9 months old. It's the end of August 2009. Luke's my little swimmer. Loves the pool. Thanks. Show me how you swim. You crazy kid. You better close that mouth. Don't get water in your mouth on purpose. Luke, show me how you swim, honey. Oh, there you go. Lean back. There he goes on his back. There he is swimming on his back. Good job, buddy. No, close that mouth. Leave it alone. Wild man. There's the other wild man. All right, one more time. Make it a big one. 1, 2, 3. Jump. That was a better one. All right, bye. That's the rules. So first we have to open this part. Hold on. You should probably sit, and I'll give it to you, okay? Ooh, look, it's games. There's a bingo game, checkers, and cards. And they're all cars. Shave. Shave.
Shave your legs.
Can I say shave?
Yeah.
Why?
Do you need to shave? Yeah?
Okay.
What do you think, babe? You like that card?
You're right.
That's for me. You like it?
Bailey, please sit down. Sit down.
Will, sit.
Yes, you are.
Well, you can hang out.
Just sit down.
Just pick up on it. I will after. Let's open the rest of your presents, okay?
Baby,
Do you like it?
What is
Can I have a
that?
kiss?
You're funny. Put on a show for the camera.
Blanket. You got your blanket? Do you love your blanket? Just a big boy.
No, this ain't.
Look, stop. You can do it, Daddy. I said you can do it, Daddy. Just turned 3.
Did he? He's tall.
Hey, babe. Are you going to see Santa? Let me see. Tell me. Look at me. Are you going to see Santa? Yes, you are.
See the Grinch? And there's Luke. He likes that.
Yeah, look right here.
Yay. Did you tell him?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Right here. You gotta put your Grinch down a little bit. Say cheese.
Come see what Santa brought you. My goodness, look at all that stuff. Oh, you got an ancient 25-year-old cat. You got a bike. Try it out. What's in there, I wonder.
A new king. I got a new king.
Finally.
I got fight to
Well, you better keep opening it.
Is that what you told Santa Claus you wanted?
Let me at the door. Fight to me. Look, a king car. Look, a king car.
Oh my gosh. Open it.
A new
Movie.
Merry Christmas.
Oh boy.
Luke, this is for all of us. If you want to open
I can't open it.
it, start on the end. Where are we going? Give it to Lolo so she can look at it. Where are we going, buddy? We're going to all Finding Nemo on ice
Oh, that's cool.
on it's in February. And I marked on the Santa marked on the map page.
What's
where we
his
said-
name, Mommy? An evil tape.
Just you needed another
An
plate.
evil tape, Mommy.
I'm not, mommy.
What did Chad get you?
Evil.
Chad. Eva back when I first met him. I remember. Yeah.
she asked Dee a little while ago.
Dee always works Friday. I know it starts
Give
in
her a definite answer. So, I mean, she talked like, yeah, I'll do it. I don't know how long ago she asked her, but I'm sure it was a little while ago. And then,
What is that?
I'm sexy, yeah, I know.
Sure, you have to watch this video later just to see how much she's doing what they're doing. Having fun? On Tuesday, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou. Happy birthday to you.
Yay, Carson!
So most everybody showed all of them, but I put one that stood out on the front here. So our first person graduating, well, I was just say graduating. Moving on from kindergarten is Peyton Adams. Peyton, if you would come in here. And Peyton gets the Leaps and Bounds Award. The next person is Vera Cordova. Come on, Vera. Later, she is getting the Eye for Details Award here. The award for Reading is Magical, presented to Jacob Hanna because he is always reading a good book. Jacob can find a good book to read. Alright, this award is colorfully creative. They're always having incredibly creative and artistic ideas, and this award goes to Luke Johnson. Come on up, Luke. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Okay. Good.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
No! No! Oh no, there's a soapy hand trying to get my camera. Oh no! Bye-bye, Luke. Love you.